everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is having an awesome Friday, and I figured we'd do something a little different today and do a cooking tutorial on how to make movie theater style popcorn in your own home. I've been using this recipe for a while now, and I actually absolutely love it. I love it even more than movie theater popcorn that you would get at your local movie theater. It is very good, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make it. Alright, before I jump into the tutorial on how to make the popcorn, I actually found a different recipe that is, I guess you can say, a little healthier than the exact replica one that I'm about to show you. And if you want to see that video be made, that tutorial be made, make sure you comment down below saying that you want to see it. Everyone, when I first made the other recipe that I found, everyone loved it, but to me, it didn't fully taste like movie theater style popcorn, so I wasn't satisfied until I found this recipe. And this recipe I think is the best, to be honest with you guys. So let's now jump into the tutorial and explain all the products that are being used. Alright, so as you can see here, this is everything that you are going to need to make the movie theater style popcorn, but you don't need this. I bought this separately at Kohl's. I think it was like $15 to $20. Today I'm going to be using probably what everyone will be using, just a regular pot with some holes in it, let the steam flow out. And the pure coconut oil and the Flavacol I got on Amazon, and I'll be leaving the link to them in the description down below. And you can also get the movie theater butter, which I did not get, but I'll leave a link to that Amazon page in the description below as well. Alrighty, so today we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of the pure coconut oil and a half a teaspoon of the Flavacol. Alright, the first step we're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of the pure coconut oil. Now, as you can see, it is orange. Don't be alarmed by that color. It gives the popcorn that orangey look. And also, depending on when you get it delivered, it might be a little liquidy because of the heat. So when it's hot, it gets kind of liquidy, but then when it's kind of more like room temperature, like your house, it's going to get more on the solid side. So, take 2 tablespoons. Jeez, this stuff is hard. Alright, that's 1. Now 2. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have a lot left. There is also a bigger size that you can get, but it is a little more money. Like I think it's like $22. Pretty sure this one was like $5. I have the links to all the products I use in the description down below. Alright, so the next step we're going to be doing is we're going to be turning on the oven, keep it in at medium heat, and let the coconut oil melt till it gets a complete liquid. So once that happens, we are going to be taking a half a cup of the popcorn, and we'll be putting it in there so we can mix it all around. So as you can see, all the butter is all melted. I can see right here. So now we are going to add the half a cup of the popcorn kernels. So once you do that, throw it all in. Shake it up all nice and good. Alright. You can do a little more, but when you think it's good, then you're done. And then you take the Flavacol, and you take the half a teaspoon, of that. Now be very careful on how much you put in because this stuff is pretty strong. You can add more in the end if you don't think it's, strong enough to your tasting. So once that's all in, shake it up really good again so it all gets mixed together, as you can see here. And then you put the lid on. And now if your lid doesn't have a steam thing, just kind of keep it slightly cracked. And then as everything's warming up, make sure you shake it around so the kernels don't really burn. And then 2 to 3 minutes later, your popcorn's done. Alright, so now the popcorns are starting to pop, as you can see here. There's a peek. So as you can see, it's popping good. So when it starts popping, every now and again, just keep on shaking it so the popcorn that is not already popped will not get all soggy. Alright, so the popcorn is basically done. When you kind of hear no more popping every like 2 seconds, that's when you just turn it off. So maybe another couple seconds, just a couple seconds, we'll be all finished up. And as of right now, I think it's cooked long enough. Turn it off. Kind of just let it cool off a little bit. Take the spatula so the stuff that's not on the bottom doesn't get all burnt. Then at this point, once it's pretty much all done cooking, you can still hear it popping a little bit. You can add some more Flavacol if you want, or some regular salt, or the movie theater butter. I personally think that it's perfect just like this. And now that it's completely done, come over here. Of course, some fell on the floor. Pour it right up into your bowl. Pop a movie in, and start eating it. Enjoy it. Alrighty guys, that is how you make movie theater style popcorn in your own home. And with that being said, if you like this video, please click that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. And one more thing, if you want to get a notification on every time I post a video, click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. And please share the video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.